Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance to GCash full guide. Open your Binance app and sign in, complete KYC, enable 2FA, sell your crypto for PHP, add GCash as a payout method, enter the correct mobile number, confirm the transfer, and wait for the funds to appear in your GCash wallet. Keep fees and limits in mind and double-check recipient details before sending today securely. Before moving funds, make sure KYC is fully approved and your GCash number is verified, because payouts require a matching mobile ID. In the Binance app, go to Withdraw, choose PHP, and select an on-ramp that supports GCash or local bank payout. Add GCash as a saved payout method, input your mobile number carefully, and confirm any SMS codes or email approvals to finalize the link before attempting a withdraw. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long trading or transfer sessions, and it sits nicely beside your phone while you confirm withdrawals. Check the description for the product link and other deals that help support the channel. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Sell your crypto to PHP by placing a market or limit sell order. Then use the withdraw flow to send PHP to GCash or a linked bank that transfers to GCash. Enter the payout amount, select your saved GCash mobile number, and carefully review fees and limits that apply. Confirm the transfer with 2FA and any verification steps, then monitor your GCash wallet for the incoming funds and save receipts for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.